Introducing Hirose's AU1 Series, a robust automotive-grade USB Type-C connector built on the trusted CX series foundation. Engineered for demanding environments, the AU1 Series delivers high-speed transmission, durability, and secure mating across multiple data protocols. Key features of the AU1 Series include a proven design built on Hirose's CX series platform for USB Type-C automotive use, compliance with USCAR-2 and USCAR-30 standards for assured reliability, a connector position assurance unit that guarantees secure and accurate mating, flexible keying options supporting both standard and A-key configurations. And it supports multiple high-speed transmission protocols, including USB, DisplayPort, and so much more. Designed for automotive applications requiring rugged, high-speed, and versatile connectivity, such as infotainment systems, multimedia interfaces, and diagnostic ports. Stay ahead of the curve with the AU1 Series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.